Everyone, welcome to the channel Arun's Automation Academy. So in this video, we'll be looking into Selenium WebDriverWait. As of now, in our Selenium Playwright, we have completed almost like the locators and Selenium setup things and static weights. Those things are completed. Now I'm gonna tell you guys what is WebDriverWait in Selenium. It is the explicit wait in Selenium automation. I will show you the real-time usage as well. I have this code snippets as well. I will show you how it works in real time. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you like the fluent wait as well. In this video, we'll be looking only into the WebDriver wait. So what is WebDriver wait? Okay, why wait and what is WebDriver wait and how it works, types, real-time usages, best practices, how we have to do all these things I will be showing you in this video. Why we need waits? So in this modern applications, everything on dynamic web elements, it will be there. It will take like 5 seconds to load, sometimes 10 seconds to load. We can't predict it, right? So on the time we can use WebDriver waits. Backend or API delays, or Selenium will be faster than, sometimes if you see Selenium will be faster than the UI. For example, if you are launching some URL on the time, the browser will keep on loading to go to the particular URL. On the time, Selenium will be expecting the login button soon, the login page. But in this scenario, if Selenium is faster than the UI, right, it will fail. So to avoid that, we are using waits to avoid flaky test as well. So you guys can take a notepad and note these key points. So it will be very helpful for your interview. And why Thread.sleep is a Thread.sleep is bad because it is a fixed wait and slow execution, unreliable and no project ready. It will cause performance issues. That is the main thing that we should not use Thread.sleep, and we can't predict the time. If you are giving 30 seconds or 20 seconds in that code, right? We can't predict it. Whether the web element can be shown in 5 seconds, maybe 30 seconds. We can't predict it, right? So we should not use Thread.sleep. What is WebDriver wait? WebDriver wait is an explicit wait. It's wait for the condition element level stops when met. So I will show you the real-time explanation as well here by showing that snippet. So this is the syntax of the WebDriver wait. So this is the driver reference, and here we are passing within how many seconds that wait should be there. Like it should wait for 15 seconds only. I'm giving this. So this is the syntax, you need to memorize it. It will be asking in the interview. They will ask, can you please write the snippet for WebDriver wait? So on the time you should be able to write this one. So it is very simple. WebDriver wait is equal to new WebDriver wait. Inside that you have to pass the WebDriver reference and the duration of the second. That's it. And with this wait, if you see, I will show you. There are many things that will be there. Wait dot until expected conditions dot, see how much is there, more things are there. Alert is present, attribute contains, element to be clickable, selected, frame to be available. So for all the things we will be having this one. So I'm not showing all the things, I'm just showing the basic things. In our interview they will be asking just the snippets, that's it, but we should know how to use it in the real time. That's why I'm explaining all these things. Okay, so wait for the condition. Here the condition is there, duration of seconds, how much time you need to wait, and this is also condition, expected condition dot to be clickable. What is that? What is does means as expectation for checking the element is visible and enabled such that you can click it. It wait for the element to be appeared. I will run this once after completing this one explanation. How it works: polls every 500 milliseconds. It will keep on polling. Okay, fluent wait is different and WebDriver is different. Okay, checks the condition with whether it is met or not. Stops on success in the sense, for example, element to be clickable, the button should be visible, then only I can able to click. Okay, so on the time what it does, it will wait for that particular time. An expectation for checking an element is visible and enabled so that you can click it. That's it. Stops on success, whenever the expected condition is met, it will stop on that particular time. We can timeout exception. We can avoid timeout exception with this one, and no such element exception also we can avoid. So this is the syntax as I said before. This is the WebDriver reference and the duration of seconds, and we are creating objects for this WebDriver wait here. Okay. Common mistake, sorry, common conditions. As I shown you in that until, right, we will be having all these conditions for visibility, clickable, presence, invisibility, text, alert, frame. I will explain you how it works in real time as well now. Okay, visibility of the element. Elements present and visible used for inputs and labels. Okay, if element is present and visible, we can able to enter in the particular edit box, and the labels also we can check. Okay, for that one we can use visibility of element. Elements need to be clickable. So where we'll be using it? Elements need to be clickable for the button. Visibility and enabled used for buttons. Okay, next one. Presence of element, whether the element is present in the DOM structure. So that one we are checking. DOM structure in the stack, in the sense there is that elements that will be taking export under, no, like the HTML tag from, that is the DOM structure, the opening of HTML tag and the closing of the HTML tag, that is. And invisibility of an element. For example, if you are clicking on something in the browser, it will go to the loading page. It will keep on spinning. So for that one, we can able to avoid. Wait for the loader or spinner. This will be for invisibility of the element. Okay. Text to be present. Toast messages. For example, if you are clicking on some login button, no, on, okay. If you entered the password only, not the email in that login page. Okay. Email box is empty, so on the time if you click on login button, what it will show, some toast messages will appear, and it will show please enter the email. Okay, on the time we can able to check with text should be present. Alert and frame. Alert is nothing but the pop-up that will be showing in the UI that will be giving some information to the users. Okay, so we will be checking alert is present or not. Okay, so if alert presents, right, we can do some action in the alert. For that one we can use. And frames to be available. Frames is nothing but, you know, that iframes, right? So that one. For URL and title also, it is there. URL contains, title contains. And best practices, we have to avoid thread.sleep for sure. And if in some conditions we couldn't able to handle with all the weights on the time, you can go to thread.sleep. Okay. Interview points. What is WebDriverWait syntax, they will ask, and you need to tell what are the exception we can avoid, timeout exception, no such elements exception, and the timing is 500 millisecond pooling. Okay. In summary, it will solve the syncs issues, and it will make our test to be stable. And what is the next video? Okay, as of now, static wait is done, and WebDriver wait is also now done. And only thing we will be have to do is fluent waits. If we completed with that one, we can go to alerts, iframes, select action class, mouse over action, those things. And once after completing all these Selenium steps, I will be going to the Cucumber videos and how to create a framework. Those things I will tell. Okay guys, now we will be going to the real-time demo. Okay, so this is where real-time demo starts. I just created a class here and the main method, and WebDriver driver is called new Chrome driver. Okay, and with this driver reference, I'm maximizing the tab, and the real-time demo website, I took this one. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, so I'm going here. Okay, okay, I'm adding the waits for 15 seconds. It will keep on wait whether the start button is shown or not. Then once after that, I will check whether the element is clickable or not, that start button. Okay, then I will click on this particular one, and invisibility of element located. What I'm doing here, I want the loading button to be invisible. Okay, The loading should be invisible. Invisible in the sense it should disappear. Okay, until that I will wait here. Okay, invisibility of the element locator. Okay, that's it. And once after that, wait until visibility of element located here. Okay, hello world, I'm checking with the text element located. The text I have passed, export also I have passed. Then I'm printing it and I'm not closing this browser now. Okay, I'm executing it. Okay. It is not executing. It is executing. See, it is going there. It is waiting for the start button now. Once after the start button is there, it is clicking. It will wait for the invisibility of this loading, and then it is asserting it. That's it. Okay. Where? See, it have printed text displayed. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's it for now. If you have any queries or doubts, just add it in the comment section. I will post some clarifications about this one. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Do subscribe as well.